You just found the 2021 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here is a sublimely crafted, exceptionally capable Range Rover that offers a sumptuous cabin, whisper-smooth ride, legendary off-road performance, and stunningly modern design. To drive it is simply transcendent. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, four-wheel drive, heated rear seat. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.